Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're obviously doing something with hair. My hair is fully dry, well, because I kind of just woke up and my hair looks like this when I wake up, which kind of sucks now because my curls are blah. So you guys know I'm trying to revive my curls. My husband gave me the okay to do the big chop, but which I'm really happy about. So if I decide to do that, then I'll have my short hair. But instead, I'm going to try and see if I can revive my curls with a few different things. Today, we're trying the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. Now, I've been using this on my face for a while. I just started using it again because I've been trying out a lot of different hair products, and some of them have broken me out. So I went back to this to try and clear up my skin. But you can also use it on your hair. Now, you mix it with apple cider vinegar for your face. I just mix it with water. Mixing it with water makes it a little bit more clumpy and you have to try and get the clumps out. But I'm not a big fan of the smell of the apple cider vinegar, except I do like it on my greens. But that's neither here nor there. So I just looked up because on the back it doesn't say how to apply it to your hair. So I just looked up applying Aztec Indian Healing Clay to hair, and it's supposed to get the buildup, that's on your hair off, make it shiny, kind of revamp your curls as well, and add moisture. So let's get into it. I'm going to start in the back, and they say to put it on every strand, and you use it on dry hair, not wet hair. It's drying before I'm even able to get it through my hair, so there's no combing this through. Do it from root to end. All right, guys, I'm all done. I just made a huge mess. So you might want to put down some like towels or something on the floor and over you to make sure it doesn't get on your clothes and stuff like that, which it's gotten on my clothes. And that's okay. But you leave this on for about 20 minutes and then you rinse it out. And it's supposed to get build up off your hair without all the sulfates and all that stuff. What I did to make it was I just put some tap water in the bowl and then started adding the clay and stirring until it got a nice consistency. That's all I did. And the clay retails for, I believe it's $10.99. I've done a video on this for the face before and I love it, but I haven't tried it on my hair because, well, my curls are fine and I hadn't messed them up yet. So you want to make sure you comb every part of your hair, and I would recommend you do something that I didn't do, which is comb your hair out before you put this on dry. Don't try and comb it out when you already have this on here, because that's just not going to work. So I will be back with it rinsed out rather, in 20 minutes. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry if you can hear the construction outside. Like, that's crazy. Anyway, all right. So I left it on for about 30 minutes instead of 20. And taking it out, it rinsed out just fine. I didn't have any difficulty getting it out of my hair. And does my hair feel moisturized? No. Does my hair feel dry? No. As I was rinsing it out, I'm like, okay, my hair does feel stripped in a way that's like, oh, I feel, you know how that squeegee effect, like, you know, like, oh, okay, my hair doesn't have stuff on it and it feels very clean, or yeah, stripped kind of. I'm not saying that it stripped all my moisture away, but it does not, my hair does not feel moisturized. And maybe that's why you do need the apple cider vinegar, because on the back here it says that you can use it with water, but maybe there's something in the apple cider vinegar that does something for your hair that the water doesn't. Did it revive my curls? No. You know, that like that, oh my gosh, this is a miracle. No, but if I keep using it, we'll see. Keep using it, we'll see. Possibly it will do that. But yes, I need to, for me, I don't have any, I didn't shampoo it out. I didn't use any conditioner, but I will definitely be using some conditioner and a sulfate silicone free conditioner, because what I wanted to do was start from scratch by starting to use some silicone free products to see if, oh, the problem is I just have a lot of hair stuff built up in my hair, and maybe my curls will just miraculously come back. Keep hoping, Shawana. Keep wishing. That's not quite how it works, but yeah. Will I do it again? Possibly, because when I put it on my hair, when I put it on my face, I could just put it on my hair. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine. And this is the thing. Sometimes the first time things may not go as you wanted them to go, and maybe the more you use it, it will. Or sometimes some things work for some people and doesn't work for others. But it did get the buildup off my hair. I definitely feel that. As for the moisture and the softness and the vibrancy of the color of my natural hair color, no, not necessarily. But definitely the buildup, my hair is definitely clean. So yeah, I hope that helped you guys to figure out something you want to try on your hair, especially to get buildup off your hair. And yeah, so I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. For my hair, yeah, for buildup, I wouldn't have a problem doing this once a week for hair buildup, and maybe moisture will come in at a different time, or I need to use the apple cider vinegar. Yeah.